Hello and welcome to Entirely English. In today's edition of the Naval Idioms we're looking at the letter K. So we have three today. They all begin with keep. So the first one is to keep a weather eye on something or somebody. The original use of this was in the Navy when they were out at sea. No matter what you were doing, whether you were fixing nets or cleaning the decks, tending to the ropes, you had to keep a weather eye on something. So it's like one eye is on the task you're doing while the other one is looking around at the clouds, looking for storms that are approaching. Everybody had to be aware of essentially their surroundings, because if a storm arrived suddenly and nobody expected it, they could be in serious trouble. So we'd often say, okay Jack, go and take care of the foresail, and at the same time remember, keep a weather eye out. So it means look out for something, be aware. We use this idiom these days to mean be aware of situations that might become bad. So if you're arranging a business deal, you might say keep a weather eye out for their accountant. He's a risky guy, he does dangerous things. Or keep a weather eye out for changes in the market. That's a better one. So always keep, no matter what you're doing in your business, always look at the market shares or market forces. Our next one is to keep your head above water. If you remember back to when we did idioms beginning with I, we had the phrase in over your head, which meant you were in trouble, like you were drowning, the sea was over your head. So to keep your head above water meant to stay safe. You might say, I started my own business, but it's difficult to keep my head above water. In other words, your finances are dropping down and you've got your rent to pay and electricity and everything else. You might say to somebody, okay, good luck with that, but do remember, keep your head above water. So don't let the situation get the better of you. Our last one is to keep your eyes peeled. This is very similar to the first one. To keep your eyes peeled basically means to keep your eyelids off your eyes. Don't go to sleep. Look out for something. So when you're in the Navy, you might say, all right, we're running low on water, so keep your eye peeled for some land where we can restock. So everybody would be not just having their weather eye out, not just looking at the weather, but looking for something in particular, looking for an island where they could get fresh water. Or, we're in terrible, dangerous waters here, so keep your eyes peeled for pirates. Always look on the horizon for those telltale sails, the flag with the skull and crossbones. And we use it a lot today. Your friend's going to another town, you might say, oh, while you're there, keep your eyes peeled for a new car, because all the ones in your town are too expensive, for example. Or you're going to a town where you used to live, and your girlfriend says, oh, while you're there, keep your eyes peeled for Amy. Which means, look out, if you see Amy, say hi from me. Okay? So, that's all for today. I hope you all managed to keep your head above water, keep a weather eye out for bad situations, and stay safe. Bye bye now.